How to add music and sound effects in LightCut. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. Once your video is loaded in the timeline, tap on the music option at the bottom of the screen. Next, browse through the available music tracks or sound effect. LightCut offers a variety of royalty-free music and SFX categories, so you can pick the perfect background music or sound effect for your video. Tap on any track to preview it and see how it fits with your footage. If needed, adjust the volume, trim the audio, or layer multiple tracks to get the perfect mix. You can also sync your music with transitions or important moments in your video to make it more engaging. Once you are satisfied with your audio edits, preview the video to ensure everything is in sync and balanced. Then save or export your video with the music and sound effects applied. Now you know how to add music and sound effects in LightCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.